and welcome to a short project, a one-day project, in which I'm going to take this little skirt, fast fashion skirt, and give it a little bit of an upgrade. So this skirt is one of my favorites by default because I don't have many skirts and I want to make more certainly, and it needs a little bit of an upgrade. This waistband, this elastic, is a little too strong and it really annoys me and digs in at the waist. It doesn't have any pockets, so that needs to be fixed. First I'm going to show you the skirt as it is now, up close, so that you can see what it looks like. So it is a basic like front back piece waistband type of skirt. It is not hemmed at all. The hem is just raw. The front and back pieces are attached by stitching and overlocking, which is probably done in one go. And then there's a big piece of elastic in the waistband here. The waistband is also attached by the same stitching and serging method. I'm gonna make the waistband custom so that it just fits and doesn't need to be elastic and really irritate your waist just to stay on. And then I'm going to add pockets because pockets are always needed in skirts and dresses. And yeah, that'll be a little one-day project, a little refresher, which is good sometimes. And yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, so the first job at hand is to get out the seam ripper and take off that waistband and open up the side seams where I want the pockets. Next, we're going to need some pockets to insert. So I'm going to make those from a black stretchy fabric in my stash and follow the pattern from my walking skirt video, which is the pocket pattern is from Bertha book. After making the pockets, they can now be inserted, and I'm going to support them with a little piece of tape, which will get sewn into the waistband, because this is a very stretchy skirt. So if I put anything in the pockets and they're not supported, I worry that the skirt will hang funny or it will be visible. So in hopes of minimizing that, I'm going to strengthen them with a little piece of tape. Speaking of the waistband, I'm going to take the fabric I removed and attach it again, this time at my personal waist measurement. And inside of it I'm going to add a little bit more of that black fabric in order to strengthen the waistband a little bit, in hopes of strengthening the waistband a little bit at least. And then I'm going to finish off the waistband by adding a few hooks and eyes. So it is the end of the day and I am done with my alterations. Overall, I'm pretty happy with them. I love the big pockets as always. I think it's very nice to have. I'm pretty happy with how they came out. They were very difficult to insert by machine. I think Bernadette was right in her walking skirt video that you should maybe just do it by hand. It was hard to do on machine. The waistband went fairly smoothly. It has lost some of its elasticity, which is fine because that's what was causing it to cinch too tightly. And now it just fits. It still has a little bit of give, which is nice for, you know, when you sit down and stuff. I'm okay with the closures. I think they might need a little revising. Overall, I'm pretty happy. I think I did more good than harm, which is I think a good standard when you're trying to alter things you already like for the most part. Thank you for coming along with me today. I hope I showed you that at most levels you can alter small things about your clothing to make them fit you or your needs better. Yeah, thank you for coming along and for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye!